we set 0 on the material right over here. We first move, do not dropping the z-axis down, because sometimes this might be bigger and the material might be thinner. So when you're dropping the z-axis down, it might be crash into together. So we first move the x and y. Just about the place. Then we drop in the z-axis down. And now we have close to the material. Then we can closely to sign this right over here. So right now we need to backward the y-axis, like right here, and then we still got to 0 down the z-axis, give us a better view right over here. Like this. We just assume this is right over here. We yeah, you understand that? And then right here,
then the D will be like here.
What right here? Yes. And then we 0 like right here. This is the 0 we want on the material. We collect this XY goes 0. XY is already 0. So right now we're gonna use this. Right here, this is still a little bit gap. Yeah, it's already touching each other. So now we 0 the z-axis. 我现在用它归零了，然后手动再往下降10个，对吧？
降的时候主轴转起来啊。假如说你要这个，要是假如往下降深的话，你要到这儿就怎么？
先把主轴转起来，再往下降。
对。
好。And now we're just preventing this 2-bit crash into this marble to damage the machine. So we need to manually start the spindle for spinning. Right now the spindle is spinning. So now we're dropping down this z-axis by 10 millimeter. Okay, now we go to 0 the z-axis. Now z-axis is 0. We're going up. 现在我可以关了指头，然后加点电了。This is the manual start of the spindle, on and off.
So we should check before.
What?
We should check before.
Before lowering, because when the spindle is not spinning, the tool on the spindle has no power. Like this, if the material is really hard and you're doing that by mistake, crash the spindle into the material, you gotta have 2 consequences. One is the material gonna break. 2 is the color gonna break. If you're dropping really hard, then the spindle might be damaged. So the best is you.
So it shouldn't touch before. You shouldn't touch the stone before
Yes.
the process.
Yes, all spindle. It shouldn't touching the material when it's not running. If it is running, it won't be damage the machine, because the machine is designed by doing that. And now we already 0 all axis. This is already 0. Then I left it up, and we go to this run a pause. To use this, sorry. This is when we plug into the UDIS. Right here, and select the UDIS. Run. Please waiting for the reading flash disk. And UDIS file. And select the first file. Setting the working speed, and then press. If you're gonna change this, press this. Like we're gonna set that to whatever. And this is for we just leave that at the engineer just input that. So we all set here. We press this OK to give the machine run on the file. So I'm not gonna run that, and you're doing that by yourself. And by turning on the power, let's see.